This furnace is actually going in the attic space up there. You can see the little scuttle hole we had to go through. We're not going to interfere too much with the guys because the attic jobs are really tight and they're really hard to work on. I want to touch on a couple really important parts. The one thing is, with all attic systems, we're going to put a drain pan underneath the system. That way, if there's any issues with the evaporator coil drain, the evaporator coil itself overflowing, or anything to do with water, we're gonna catch it in that drain pan before it messes up the ceiling. A couple things we'll use also are called safety switches. So this is one variation of a float switch. This one goes on the side of the drain pan, and basically when the pan starts filling with water, it's gonna use that float in there to activate a switch. It's gonna open the switch, and at that point the unit's gonna shut off. This is a safe T switch. It's very similar to the one before, except this one goes in the secondary drain of the evaporator coil. If the primary drain gets clogged, it's gonna do the same thing, start filling with water, activate the switch, and shut the unit off. We have what's called a wet switch. This one is basically goes in or around the pan depending on the application, and anytime that it senses water on the back of the switch, it's gonna shut itself off. And this is a manually resettable switch, so it will not let the equipment run until it's been reset in the attic up there. Again, that's very important with attic systems because we do not want to have water damage when the equipment's above finished space.